Hello everybody, it's Zach here from realestatelicensewizard.com. Today we're going over another one of our practice real estate exam questions. If you are new here, we post a new question every Monday through Friday. If you have any questions you want me to cover, you can comment a question down below or send us an email with a question. Of course, if you want to try these exam questions out yourself, as well as tons of others, go ahead and check out our website, realestatelicensewizard.com. Now, this series is amazing for anyone preparing for the real estate exam, so make sure to click that like button and subscribe. That way you're fully prepared come exam day. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So the question is asking us, Aaron can't get to his property from a public road without crossing over his neighbor Ron's property. In this situation, Aaron needs A/N. So it's like a mini story problem almost. And it gives us four options. A, variation from the local zoning board. B, variation from the local zoning board and Ron. C, easement for ingress or egress over Ron's property, or D, equitable title transfer with the permission of Ron and the local zoning board. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an opportunity to pause here, think this one over. This is a little bit of a tricky one, so don't be afraid to take your time on this one. So go ahead and think it over starting now. Alrighty, so hopefully you guys came up with your answer for this one. So what's going to be the answer? Well, he needs an easement for ingress and egress. That's right. So it's going to be C. In this situation, Aaron needs an easement for ingress and egress over Ron's property. That's right. If Aaron can't get to his property from a public road without crossing over his neighbor Ron's property, he's landlocked. He needs an easement for ingress and egress over Ron's property to be able to enter and exit the property, which that's what that means. If you guys didn't know that, if you guys are new to the channel, ingress and egress just means enter and exit. That's right. When you're hearing these things, just think of it like that. Enter and exit. And we actually do have a video covering that a little bit more in depth, which I will link down below. But basically, when we're talking about these ingress and egress rights, normally they come together because think about it. How often can you enter something but not exit it? You know what I mean? Normally these things come together, and normally they come up when we're talking about easements. And again, in this situation, let's be real. Aaron is landlocked. If you can't get into your property, you need some way of getting into it. And normally in this situation, you would need to figure something out with your neighbor. So in this situation, he would need an easement for ingress and egress. I know it's a little bit of a tongue twister. Ingress, egress. Say it with me. Ingress, egress. But yeah, so that's going to be it. This was a little bit of an interesting question. It's kind of like a story problem, and it's asking us, how do we solve it? How do we help Aaron? How do we figure this problem out? And again, Aaron would need an easement for ingress and egress over Ron's property. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys understood that. Hopefully you learned something. If not, leave me a question, comment down below. I'd be happy to explain again, the best I can, all that good stuff. But all right, guys, well, that's going to be pretty much it for this one today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this is Zach from realestatelicensewizard.com. Make today magical.